This is the dance-off between Julian Fort, Usain Bolt and Asafa Powell. Are the same lame selector them when I get Spice. Whenever I get Spice rhythm, the unity. Look here, I want that then get Asafa for dance too. You can't be a sound system or you play one event and you can't find more than 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 Jamaican dancing song. It better than them play me come juggle thing. Me and Shellmatic. Oh, no for my subscribers, they don't know so we are select a road to still kind of put that pan break, but we wear many hats, no matter the size of it is. So you say, you watch it and tell me what you think win still. The selector kind of lame out the thing, but the youths them have a whole of vibes and you say me I say Jamaican way, real way. I'm out.
So selector, watch it. Who you want to go next? Who do you say? Hold on. Let's mix it up. His Excellency, sir. I'm not asking you to dance, you know. I'm just asking you, see those two brothers up there? Who you want to go first of the two? Left. You see. Madam Excellency, who do you say? What? Well, let's get to the deep breaker now. Mr. Prime Minister, who you say, sir? You know what? You say. Oh! 10, 9, 3, 2, 1, you say! Somebody said cool. Okay, hold on. Somebody has to go. I saw for them say you faster. You want a different tune? Select a different tune. 5, 4, 3, 2. See how the band ready to do it. Bands. Let it go. All right, same thing. No. Hey, I know you're not prepared for this. Find something else. Because if who is going to do the Gully Creeper, we're not going to compare. When Safa do it. So, different tune. Somebody said different tune. Alright. So, let's see what he's got. And we're giving him a few. They're not prepared for it necessarily. This is just what you call production magic. All right, so when you're ready, sir.